This meditation may be most beneficial for your experience if you choose to do it lying down. You can also, you can sit if you want to sit. Heck, you could even stand if you want to stand, but just make sure you're in a safe place and somewhere you can not going to fall down or what have you. But I would recommend lying down. But if that's just not possible, it is what it is. You're always left in choice. So, if you're ready, let us begin. So let's settle into the space you find yourself in, and if it feels safe to do so, you can perhaps choose to close your eyes. Maybe just shift your gaze gently downward. Begin to notice the contact of your body on the cushion or chair or bed or floor or wherever you have chosen for this meditation. You begin to mindfully make any adjustments you need to be comfortable. Begin this meditation with 3 deep cleansing breaths together by inhaling through the nose and then exhaling out the mouth. So we'll begin by exhaling all our air out, allowing it to release out, bringing our belly into our spine, get it all out, just getting all that stale air out of you. Now beginning with 1. Breathing deeply into the nose, all the way down to the belly. The chest may rise, the belly expands. Now hold it at the top and slowly release out the mouth, releasing, relaxing. And again, in through the nose, breathing down into the belly, feeling that expansion. Hold it at the top and releasing out through the mouth, feeling more relaxed. And last one, biggest breath you took all day, all the way in. Feel the air traveling all the way down into your belly. Hold it at the top. Now releasing out, releasing and relaxing, releasing and relaxing. Now allow your breathing to return to normal. Breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Perhaps bring a slight smile to your lips. And smiling into your eyes. Perhaps you can bring the corners of your eyes up slightly. And maybe you can sense a smile in your heart area. Sensing the curve of a smile in the heart area. And this is not to cover over anything or to cover up anything, but perhaps we're just going to create some space there. We're simply trying to be open, receptive, and at ease. And on the next out breath, let's slowly bring our focus down to our feet. Begin observing the sensations in your feet. You might want to wiggle your toes a little. Feeling your toes against your socks or your shoes or perhaps against the cushion on the floor. We're just noticing these sensations without judgment. You might like to imagine sending your breath down to your feet, as if the breath is traveling through the nose, to the lungs, through the belly, and all the way down to your feet. And then it comes back up again, through the belly, through the lungs, out your nose, And perhaps you don't feel anything at all in your feet, and that's fine too. And just allow ourselves to feel the sensation of not feeling anything without judgment. And when you're ready, we can allow our feet to dissolve in our mind, and let's bring our attention to our ankles, to our calves, to our knees and our thighs. Just observing the sensations you experience throughout your legs. Breathing into and breathing out of our legs. If there's any tension there, just notice it without judgment. Perhaps we can let it go a little. You can feel the breath breathing into our legs. There's that slight expansion we can feel in our legs. And then as our out breath comes, we can feel a little more relaxed. Just breathing into and breathing out of our legs. And if your mind begins to wander, it's okay. Just gently notice this. We smile. Without judgment, we bring our mind back to noticing the sensation of our legs. Notice any discomfort, pain, stiffness. Don't judge it. Just simply notice it. We observe how all sensations, they rise and they fall. They shift and they change, moment to moment. Notice how no sensation is permanent. Like waves in the ocean, they build and they fall. We just observe and we allow the sensations to be in the moment, just as they are. Breathing into and out of our legs. And on the next out breath, let's allow our legs to dissolve in our mind and move the sensations to the lower back, the pelvis. Move your focus to your lower back and your pelvis and soften and release as you breathe in and breathe out. Slowly moving our attention up to the mid-back, the upper back. Becoming curious about the sensations here. Becoming aware of the sensations in the muscle, the temperature, the skin, the points of contact with the furniture, the bed, or the floor. And with each out breath, we can let go. Let go of some of that tension we're carrying in the mid and upper back. And breathe in and feel that slight expansion. Breathing out, we can relaxing into that newfound space. And then very gently, we'll shift our focus now to our belly and all the internal organs there. Perhaps you can notice the feeling of your clothing in your belly. Maybe the process of digestion is prominent. The belly rising and falling with each breath. See if we can breathe into a softening belly. With this breath, and now this breath. If you notice opinions arising about the area, gently let these go and return to simply noticing the sensations. If you continue to breathe into the body, we can now shift our awareness to the chest and the heart region, noticing your heartbeat. Perhaps observing how the chest rises during the inhale and the chest falls during the exhale. Maybe you can let go of any judgments that may arise. Judgments may arise about this part of your body. And on the next out breath, let's shift our focus to our hands and to our fingertips. See if we can't channel our breathing into and out of this area. Breathing into and out of our hands. And if the mind wanders, we just gently bring that attention back. Gently bring our attention back to the sensations in our hand. Maybe you can begin to notice the vibrations in your hand. Very slight vibrations in your hands. We're feeling the hands from the inside out. And on your next out breath, let's shift the focus again. Bring awareness to your arm. Observe the sensations, the lack of sensations that may be occurring there. You may notice some difference between the left arm and the right arm. There's no need to judge this. And as you breathe, you can breathe into those arms, feeling that slight expansion on the in-breath. And as you exhale, you might experience the arms soften and releasing any tension. Continue to breathe, and now let's shift our focus to our neck, shoulder, and throat region. This is an area where we often have a lot of tension. Just be with that sensation that's there. Sensation could be tightness, rigidity, or holding, and perhaps you can notice that the shoulders move. They move along with the breath. They're rocking like waves in an ocean. And let go of any thoughts or any stories you might have about this area. As you breathe, you can feel that expansion. With the exhale, you can feel tension just rolling off the shoulders. Breathing into and breathing out of the shoulders. And on the next out breath, we'll shift our focus and direct our attention to the scalp, the head, and the face. Observing all the sensations occurring there. Notice the movement of air as you breathe into and out of your nostrils. And as you exhale, you may notice a softening of any tension you're holding. And now, let your attention expand out to include the entire body as a whole. Bringing into your awareness the top of your head, all the way down to the bottom of your toes. Feeling the gentle rhythm of breath as it moves through the body. Feel the body expand on the in-breath, and relaxing on the out-breath. And as we come to the end of this practice, let's take a full, deep breath in through the nose, take in all the energy of this practice. Take it all in, hold at the top. Now exhale fully with a sigh. Don't be afraid to make some noise. Allow it to release. And when you're ready, you can flutter your eyes open, bring your attention back to the room, the space you're in. Becoming fully alert now and awake. Consider setting an intention that this practice of building awareness will benefit everyone you come in contact with today. Thank you, everybody, for your practice and participating in this body scan meditation.